Interstate 283. Yeah, alright, I-283 is a short route that travels between the towns of Highspire and Lawton, both nearby Harrisburg. Now this is actually a funny little road that acts as an off-ramp from the turnpike up to I-83. So first, we're going to talk about northbound I-283. If we start here on I-76 east side for Philadelphia, yes, we get the interchange called Harrisburg East. It serves I-283 and Pennsylvania 283, but the control cities are Harrisburg and Hershey. Now the thing is, both of these roads don't actually touch Hershey. Hershey is there because of US 322. As we exit, we pay a fare as we leave the turnpike. After the toll plaza, we get this exit for PA 283 eastbound, which is signed for the airport and is also the fastest way to Lancaster. Then one exit up, we get to PA 230 for Highspire, and we are assigned north for Harrisburg and Hershey for the reason I mentioned earlier. And then we come to this interchange, where there is US 322 East, which is going to Hershey. Then we also get North I-83, which continues straight, and West US 322 to I-81, and they're all signed for Hazleton and State College. Once again, it's not Hazleton, it's Binghamton that you need to go for. And to the left we have South I-83 for Harrisburg. I wouldn't put that there since we're already technically in Harrisburg, so I'd put York or Baltimore on there. Alright, now we're going to talk about southbound I-283. To the right, we see an exit for I-83 South for Harrisburg and York. At least I mentioned York earlier, so it's on there now. And on the left, we get South I-283 to I-76, Pennsylvania Turnpike, Harrisburg International Airport. Well, I mean, that's the fastest way to the airport, but you should put like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh on there. The reason why? They're the control cities on I-76 here. Here we get the exits for PA 230 and PA 283 again. Although this time, East I-283 gets the 2 airport treatment. We're paying a fare as we enter the turnpike. And here is I-76, east for Philadelphia and west for Pittsburgh, the 2 perfect control cities. And that concludes the interstate portion of Shaming PENNDOT. The next episode starts the US highways. Until then, I will see you later.